Meet the drug that might change obesity medicine forever before it even hits pharmacy shelves. Today on RxRasha Pharma Basics, we are talking about Retatrutide. Not approved yet, but the data jaw-dropping. So what exactly is Retatrutide? It is an investigational injectable medication developed by Eli Lilly, and what makes it special is this. While most GLP-1 drugs target one receptor and tirzepatide targets two, Retatrutide targets three hormone receptors at the same time: GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon. That is why it is called a triple agonist, first in its class. Let us break down what each receptor does. GLP-1 activation reduces appetite, slows gastric emptying, and improves blood sugar control. You already know this one from semaglutide and liraglutide. GIP activation enhances insulin release and works alongside GLP-1 to amplify the metabolic effect. Tirzepatide already uses both of these, but Retatrutide adds a third, glucagon receptor activation. Glucagon increases energy expenditure and drives fat burning in the liver. Combining all three creates a synergistic effect on body weight that we have never seen before in a pill or injection. Now, let us talk numbers, because the clinical trial results are remarkable. In the Triumph 1 Phase 3 trial, over 2,300 adults without diabetes were treated for 80 weeks. Patients on the highest dose, 12 milligrams once weekly, lost an average of 28.3% of their body weight. That is roughly 70 pounds on average, and in a follow-up extension at 104 weeks, patients with higher baseline BMI reached 30.3% weight loss, numbers that rival bariatric surgery outcomes from an injection. The Triumph 4 trial looked at patients with obesity and knee osteoarthritis. At 68 weeks, the 12 milligram dose produced 28.7% average weight loss, and patients also reported meaningful improvements in pain and physical function. A separate diabetes trial, Transcend T2D1, showed 16.8% weight loss and a reduction of 2% in HbA1c in patients with type 2 diabetes. What about side effects? The profile is consistent with the incretin class. Nausea, diarrhea, constipation, and vomiting are the most common. One finding unique to Retatrutide is dysesthesia, which is an abnormal skin sensation, reported in roughly 5 to 12% of patients depending on dose. Discontinuation rates were low, between 4 and 11%, so when can patients get it? Retatrutide is not approved anywhere in the world yet as of mid-2026. Eli Lilly is expected to submit a new drug application to the FDA in the fourth quarter of 2026. If approved under priority review, market availability could come as early as late 2027 or early 2028. For now, it remains investigational. Here is the big picture. We went from GLP-1 alone to dual agonism with tirzepatide, and now to triple agonism with Retatrutide. Each step has brought significantly greater weight loss than the last. The question is no longer whether pharmacotherapy can produce meaningful weight loss. The question now is how far we can go. This is Rasha with RxRasha Pharma Basics. If this episode helped you, share it with a colleague and stay ahead of what is coming.